Imagine you are standing in a dense forest at midnight. It is pitch black and you are blindfolded. Suddenly, for a mere fraction of a second, a massive flash of light blinds you through the fabric. Then absolute silence. You didn't see where it came from or what caused it, but you felt its raw, bone-chilling power. This is exactly how astronomers feel about our universe right now. Space is not silent. It is screaming in a language we are only beginning to decode. In 2007, we discovered the first of these ghost signals, known as fast radio bursts or FRBs. Since then, we have intercepted thousands. Some are solitary screams that vanish forever into the void. But others, like the infamous FRB 121102, keep calling back in rhythmic patterns that defy every natural law we know. To produce a signal this intense, an object must release energy equivalent to 500 million suns in a single heartbeat. The problem? Our current telescopes are like looking through a narrow straw. We catch the flash, but we miss the source. We are staring at a cosmic crime scene where the killer vanished eons ago. But in 2026, the investigation changes forever. Named after the mother of Hubble, the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope is NASA's definitive answer to these haunting mysteries. Scheduled for deployment in late 2026, it carries a 2.4-meter mirror, identical in size to Hubble's, but with a technological twist that redefines our reality. If Hubble was a keyhole into the heavens, Nancy Grace Roman is a panoramic window. Think of it this way. If you were searching for a single golden grain of sand on a massive beach, Hubble could give you a breathtaking photo of that one grain, but it would take decades to map the entire shoreline. Roman? It can photograph the entire beach in a single afternoon with the same staggering resolution. It possesses a field of view 100 times larger than Hubble. This is not just a telescope, it is a high-definition cosmic surveillance system. Its primary mission is to solve the two greatest enigmas in physics, dark matter and dark energy. It will map the expansion of the universe, watching billions of galaxies to see if the very fabric of space is being torn apart. And while it does that, it will be hunting for those ghost signals that have eluded us for 20 years. Here is the most thrilling part of the 2026 mission. Nancy Grace Roman might find more than just dying stars. It is specifically designed to hunt for technosignatures, the fingerprints of advanced technology. By analyzing the light filtering through the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, Roman can detect chemical footprints that nature cannot explain. Industrial pollution, artificial gases, or massive orbiting megastructures. Are we truly alone? Or is the famous Boötes void not an empty wasteland, but a territory occupied by civilizations that have mastered the stars? In 2026, we are no longer just looking for microbial life in the mud of a distant moon. We are looking for entities that harness the power of suns. Entities that might be looking back at us right now, asking the same questions. Could those repeating FRBs be interstellar beacons, or the propulsion systems of massive starships? With Roman, we finally have a fisherman with a wide enough net to catch the giants of the cosmic ocean. As we stand on the frontier of 2026, we are at the edge of a revolution. The Roman telescope is more than a machine. It is a bridge to the unknown. It serves as a humbling reminder that Earth is but a mote of dust in an infinite sea, and we owe it to ourselves to find the truth. The next signal we intercept might not be the death rattle of a distant star. It might be a hello. Stay curious, stay bold, because the universe is finally ready to talk. The question is, are you listening? Subscribe to Beyond the Known as we journey into the final frontier of human knowledge.